Alright, my dolls. Can we get into this texture? Like, look at the texture. Look at these curls. Like, oh my goodness, they are so doggone pretty. Hey my dolls, it's your girl Aya here, coming to you guys today with a review being brought to you by CURLSQUEEN. They were kind enough to send me their new Converti-Cap drawstring ponytail wig. I have it in the spiral curl 3B 3C texture in 18 inches. It's going to be premium Brazilian virgin hair. She is going to have 100% density. With this cap construction, the unit can be comfortably placed anywhere on your head. Very beginner friendly. You get a total of 4 combs. You get a comb in the middle, 2 combs on the side, and a comb in the back with the adjustable drawstring. What I love about this unit is the versatility, because it's not your typical wig. You have limitless possibilities as far as styling goes. You can blend your own hair. You can definitely do your traditional half up, half down. You can do a low ponytail, high ponytail. Like, you have styling versatility with this one. So your money is going to definitely work for you with this unit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do some basic styling with this unit. I'm not gonna do anything too extra or anything like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how the unit can be transformed to, you know, make it your own. I'm going to use very minimum products with this because I don't want to weigh the curls down. The curls are really nice and bouncy. The hair is flowy. Like, this hair is so bomb. I really like the texture. It's not too heavy, not too thick. Like, this is perfect density. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Aussie Miracle Curls for this unit, in a little bit of serum, and that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. But what I found out with this particular hair, even though I did use these products, I would definitely recommend that you start off with, you know, plain old tap water when you are styling this, and then move your way to the products to get the maximization for your curls, so it can really be that nice bouncy natural looking curls. Okay, so this part basically self-explanatory. As far as shedding goes, the hair did not shed a lot. It was very minimum shedding. I didn't receive any tangling with this. I had this wig for quite some time, and I've worn it on separate occasions, and every time I've worn it, I've received tons of compliments. I definitely was comfortable wearing it. Like, this wig was so unclockable, so I highly recommend this unit from CURLSQUEEN. Of course, all product links will be left in the description box. There is going to be a discount code, which is going to basically just be AYA, AYA. Of course, I will leave that in the description box as well, along with any purchase links and products links. So as you guys can see here, the hair is just performing very well with styling. I was very impressed with how the curls bounce back with the product styling. Like, I have no complaints with this hair. Like, this hair is really bomb. And I love the fact that when I was trying to blend my hair with it, it blended really nicely. But for the sake of this video, I did not blend my own hair with it. I just did, you know, basic styling with it. But the hair performed very nicely. Like, really, this one, definitely I would purchase this on my own. So yeah, highly recommend this. Y'all know me. I will not recommend something to you that I would not personally purchase on my own. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to share, comment down below so we can kiki it up in the comments. And as always, I will catch you guys in another review. Stay tuned for the outro. And thanks so much for watching.
No. Original. Yeah. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say no.
Bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Original bad man.
Bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them I make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class.
Dolls, before I get any further into this unit, please make sure you guys are following me on Facebook and Instagram at Maya All Day on both platforms. Also, definitely check out my other videos. I have plenty of them. So make sure you guys are sharing this video as well, because sharing is caring. It is what free to do so. Alright, so now we got all that business out the way. Dolls, head on over to Curls Queen. That's all I got to say, because you guys are going to want this unit. It's so pretty, okay? It's human hair. It's a Converti-Cap wig, so you have styling versatility with it. Do y'all see these curls, honey? Like, oh, y'all know I'm a sucker for curly units, and the curls are my judge because my natural hair is curly. So I tend to gravitate towards the curls, and this one is not going to be a disappointment if you decide to purchase it, okay? So Curls Queen was kind enough to send me out this kinky curly unit in 18 inches. She's going to give you 150% density. This is a Converti-Cap wig, so it's not a lace front. It's not your typical half wig. This is a versatile wig that you can blend your own hair with. You can transform it into a headband wig. You can transform it into a ponytail. That's right, a ponytail, because it has a drawstring in it, so you can do a drawstring ponytail. This unit is going to definitely give you a run for your money. You're not going to be disappointed at all, because you have the styling versatility that you want when you are styling these units. And I love it because, you know me, hey, I'm all for balling on a budget, but if you can make your coins stretch and work for you, where you can get multiple styles out of a unit, I'm all for it, okay? So, of course, I will leave purchase links down in the description box. Now, dolls, let's go ahead and get into pros and cons. Okay, so really no cons for me, because honestly with this one, you can leave out your hair if you want to. If you decide not to, you have that choice as well. You can, you know, camouflage it with the headband as I did. I mean, really no cons to with this one. She is a human hair unit, so of course she is going to shed. Natural hair sheds. A human hair wig will shed, but it's not excessive shedding, so you're not going to have a bald unit. I really love how flat the cap lays, and it's very comfortable. Even with the drawstring, you can definitely contour it toward, you know, to fit your head, you know, very nicely. She is going to give you combs. Of course, you don't have to utilize the combs. Wig grip is going to be your best friend, because that's what I got on, is a wig grip. Like, this wig ain't going nowhere with this wig grip, okay? You guys saw the styling versatility. Y'all know I had to do my pineapple. You can do half up, half down. You can do a little ponytail. You can do a high ponytail. You can do your drawstring ponytail looks with this one. Like, you have styling versatility. Your coins are going to work for you when you purchase one of these Converti-Cap wigs from Curls Queen. You're not going to be so disappointed. I was not disappointed. And dolls, y'all know me. It takes me a little minute to recommend something. If I recommend it to you, it's a go. It's a 100, okay? So yeah. Let me know what you think about this unit on me. Of course, comment down below. Let's kiki it up as always. Don't forget to share this video. Thumbs it up. And dolls, I will definitely talk to you guys in another review. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.